What kind of medical experiments were performed during Vostok missions? What kind of medical experiments were performed during the Vostok missions? This question takes us back to the early 1960s, a time when the Soviet Union was making significant strides in space exploration. The Vostok program was the first to send humans into orbit, and it was crucial to understand how space travel affected the human body. One of the primary focuses was monitoring vital signs. Cosmonauts had their heart rates, blood pressures, respiration rates, and body temperatures continuously tracked. This data helped researchers see how spaceflight impacted basic physiological functions. Psychological testing was another important aspect. The environment of space was entirely new, so evaluations were conducted to assess stress levels, cognitive functions, and emotional stability while in orbit. This was vital for ensuring that cosmonauts could handle the psychological challenges of space travel. Motion and coordination studies were also performed. Researchers examined how weightlessness influenced motor skills and coordination. Cosmonauts had to adapt to moving in microgravity, which was a completely different experience from Earth. Additionally, metabolic and fluid balance measurements were taken. Scientists studied how metabolism changed and how fluids shifted within the body. In microgravity, fluids tend to move toward the upper body and head, which could have various effects on health. Radiation exposure monitoring was another critical experiment. Instruments measured cosmic radiation levels inside the spacecraft to evaluate potential health risks for the cosmonauts. This was essential for understanding the safety of long-duration space missions. The data collected from these experiments was not just for immediate use. It laid the groundwork for future missions, helping to ensure that humans could safely endure the conditions of spaceflight and return to Earth without lasting harm. From a 1960s nostalgia perspective, these medical tests reflected the era's spirit of discovery. The Vostok program was a symbol of Soviet pride, showcasing how advanced research was integrated into manned spaceflight. The focus on human endurance and adaptability captured the imagination of the public, as space travel promised a bold new chapter for humanity. The knowledge gained from these early medical experiments shaped spacecraft design, astronaut training, and mission planning for decades. Understanding how the human body responds to space conditions was essential for the success of future missions, including those aimed for the moon and beyond.